Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Roblox Game Development. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about anything other than what we're going to do today, and that is make our GUI, which I will show you guys in a second. Go to Starter Pack, Light, cut this, paste it here. This GUI right here, over there, no wait, I think I should be playing that way, over there. One of the two ways, that is going to control how our gun fires. The default will be semi-auto, the other, and it'll change according to the rest. We're also going to, I don't really know how to explain it. All I know is it's going to be fun. Alright, so, first things first, we're going to move it back, cut this, and move it back into the light. Alright, then go to the local script. Okay, now we've already got tool.equipped and tool.unequipped. This is basically all we'll need, but there's also one little thing. There's several lines we're going to have to add. Up here we're going to add right there. Alright, GUI equals tool.firing mode GUI. Alright, and then in tool.equipped, okay, before this, GUI, there, just like that, so I actually know what to call it. GUI equals GUI clone GUI.parent. Actually, now we'll just we'll do it the old-fashioned way. There's just some things that can go wrong here, so I don't really. How about this? We'll make this be a clone. Yeah, that'll work. All right, GUI.parent equals player.player GUI, and down here, GUI.parent GUI.parent equals tool. Alright, but we're also going to go up here and create a new int value. Up here we'll make gun mode, which will equal 1. Alright, and we're going to make a new gun mode. Let me explain how this is going to work, because I'm just in like hyperdrive right now, because I can see how this is going to work, but I've never done it before, so I really want to get to testing it out, but I'm not. I gotta slow down. Okay, so here's what we're going to do here. We're going to make, every time they equip the tool, the GUI is going to appear in their screen. Every time they unequip the tool, meaning put the tool away, the GUI will disappear and go back in the tool. However, we're also going to make a int value inside their character, okay, the player's character. The reason being, we want this value to completely disappear as soon as the player dies, so putting it in the character is perfect for that. We're going to put it in their character, and we're going to call it gun mode or something, and we're going to name this gun mode value, which will equal nil, because this is going to be the value put in the player, or the character, the player's character, and this gun mode is going to be the actual gun mode. And every time, and the gun mode value is really kind of, you know what, we're going to get rid of gun mode, and we're going to just make this gun mode rather than gun mode value. Alright, so what this is going to do is just control what kind of firing mode we have. We won't actually script the different firing modes just yet, but we will soon. In fact, we're probably going to go to firing, and probably going to cut out like all of this and paste it into our local script. That, I know it'd make it more of a master script, and I don't like doing that, but it's the simplest way. There are other ways. But if I were to teach you guys the other ways, you would be looking at like a half-hour tutorial. I don't have time for that, and I don't think half-hour tutorials are really all that great to watch, because I think I'd get bored like, And I don't want you guys to have to face that. Alright? So, next we're going to make if gun mode equals nil, then, alright, gun mode equals instance.new int value, gun mode dot parent equals player dot character, and gun mode, yeah, that's fine. Right? No, wait. And gun mode dot value equals 1. Alright. Now we'll go to this. Alright. And we'll actually rename these according to the type of firing mode there. So auto will be 3, burst will be 2, and semi will be 1. And then we're going to create a another script here. No, not local script. Stupid thing. No. Alright. Script. There we go. Okay. Now, for I equals 1, 3 do, which means start at I at 1 and end when it's at 3. Or actually, yeah, end when it's at 3. It does it 3 times starting at 1. Okay? So for I equals 1, 3 do. Script dot parent dot I plus, oops, there we go, right? If we go down here, where is this GUI at, or this script at? Okay, it's here, hold on, we're gonna cut this script and paste it in this frame. Alright, script dot parent I dot mouse button 1 click connect function. Oh, hold on. Wait, yeah, that's fine. We aren't actually going through its children, like indexing them. We're actually using their name. So we don't have to worry about the script ever getting called. Alright, function. And then make player equals script dot parent. How many parents is it? This, okay, frame, that's 1, firing mode is 2, then it would be screen or player GUI, and then the player. So 4. Alright. Parent. Alright, script dot parent, and then player dot character dot gun mode dot value equals I. Just like that, I think, right? No, because I is going to change. Isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, this isn't the best way of doing this, I don't think. We'll just paste this 3 times. Script.parent 1, just like that, equals 1, and we'll just copy and paste this. It's not the best way, but I don't feel like debugging a ton today, so we're just going to do it that way. Alright. And now we'll press F6, because there's no player entered event that we need for this gun, I don't think. No, there isn't. I think we're fine. Alright. Give us our light. There we go. Here's a problem. We're in first person mode. You can't really hit your GUI from here. So we will keep it in first person mode later. But I don't want to keep it in first person mode right now. And I didn't mean to open that. And I didn't mean to open that. There we go. Alright. 1 second then. Let's close this. And is in this local script we're changing their camera mode. Where are we changing the camera mode at? Probably here, right? Yeah. Alright, we'll disable this. We will make it that way later, but we'll just add like keyboard input for that GUI. You press like say 1, it'll switch to the first one, 2, 3, and so on. Alright, so now shoot. This doesn't matter too much. I'm going to go up to workspace, player 1, and value. Okay, so we're gonna get a big error here. Hold on. The reason we'll get a big error is because in this script it expects them to have a gun mode in the character. Well, we never named it gun mode. So what we're going to do is gun mode dot name equals gun mode. Just like that. And that should take care of everything. Right there. We'll be good. Goody goody good to go. Okay? And yeah, we're good. Alright. Pull out our light. Shoot. Okay, it's working still. Go to workspace, player 1, and we see gun mode. Alright, keep an eye on that value. I'm gonna go click burst. Now automatic, now semi-auto, and now I'm just gonna go randomish. It's changing. Now that's not affecting how we're shooting yet, but it will later. Alright? So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys later.